Hi folks, I was questioned about what are breakouts from stocks and what does it mean. So I'll try and answer that with this presentation here. If you notice, irrespective of the market conditions, I'm looking into Google Finance and I'll probably be in this Google Finance area to show you the charts and all those type of different things so that but as said, there are a lot of other charts available. You can use MSN, Yahoo, whatever it is, but all points to the same thing. So, on a bear market condition, there are stocks even which rallies on a bear market conditions. Here, the market was bull on this particular day, but you will notice that there were stocks which were bear. They had a negative percentage if you see on the left hand side. But again, the percentage, the number of stocks which tends to be bear on a bull market will be much lesser than a bear market condition. But having said that, the scenario of having a bear stock or a bull stock is irrespective of the market conditions. There will be always stocks which are bull even on a bear market condition, and there will be always bear stocks or stocks which are going negative in a bull market condition. And that's the trick, that's the catch of identifying those in terms of which of the stocks could rally. So having said that, let me take a look and show you what I mean by breakouts. Say if you take this stock which is CRTO, you will notice that around this time frame, around November 7th or November 8th, it went bear and then it continued flat. It went up for 1-2 days and then it again continued bear. But if you come around December 23rd range, you will notice that this stock continued to be bull for quite some time. So of course the markets, as I said, is bull or bear, but that doesn't mean that the individual stock will be bear also at the same time. So if one is leveraging from here, leveraging on the profits from here is the one who would be making money from even the bear conditions of the market. So if you take another example of AKAM, you'll notice that the market, irrespective of the market, it took a spike around October 24th or 25th range, and it went all the way from $59 to $67. So if one can identify that ahead of time and rally with it with his investments, he's definitely going to make money. And at the same time exit out from the stocks at the time when the stock gets bear is the scenario of not only making money at this point, but at the same time exiting out of the stock with the investment he or she made and continue investing on stocks which are taking breakouts, continue investing on other stocks. So irrespective of the market conditions, one would notice that every stock has its own cycle of rallying. It gets bull. In this particular case of AEM, the market, irrespective of the market, the stock was bear from November 4th all the way down up to up December 15th. So if somebody is investing around in this range, he's not making money till December 15th. So effectively your money is blocked from November 3rd all the way up to December 15th. But if you're able to identify the breakout around here with with some degree of intelligence, you would be basically profitable because you are positioning at say 37, 34 or around this range, and you are rallying all the way up to say for example 45, 56. So anybody trading in this range would be making money. Anyone trading around this range would have a capital blockage. So the scenarios of breakouts will only happen through of course through its own intelligence, which you have to identify, and that's where we specialize in the research. But the point which I'm making is, you don't want, the ideal situation of making ROI is not to block your money, is to invest just about the time when the stock is taking a rally, continue with the trend, get the maximum profit out of it, and as soon as it goes down, you exit around this range. So this is true for all stocks at any given conditions. So this is how very typically the stock market works, where an individual stock is bear and at the same time it gets bull. The question is, for how long it gets bull and how much you can milk is the idea of capturing that ROI or return or profits and exiting out from it and reinvesting that money into some other stocks.